Hey, this is Chris Cooley, and welcome to my FanDuel value picks to click of Week 12. Pick number 1, DeMarco Murray. This is a must pick. DeMarco Murray going against New York Giants and the last rushing defense in the league. Bet on him to have a huge game, $9,000, but he's worth it. My up-and-comer pick, Denard Robinson of the Jacksonville Jaguars. Robinson took over in Week 12, and he's been good. He'll have 20-plus carries or 20-plus touches for Jacksonville. Count on him to get you some points, only $7,500. On sell pick this week, Colby Fleener caught 7 of 7 targets from Andrew Luck last week, 144 yards, huge game. You know Luck's going to go at him again this week against Jacksonville. $5,400. Yeah, I think I like that guy. And my last 2 picks, value picks of the week, go either way. Eli Manning or Josh McCown. Manning going against Dallas. He's going to have a bounce-back week when the Cowboys come to town. And McCown going against the Chicago Bears defense, who have given up 25 passing touchdowns. That's the most in the league. Manning $7,200, McCown $7,500. That's on the cheap for a quarterback. All right, so those are my FanDuel value picks to click for Week 12. Good luck. Have fun.